Good morning, welcome to our channel. We are getting ready to go on vacation at the end of this week. So today we are cleaning the house and packing, trying to get everything straight before we leave. So we got a lot of work on our hands. Starting with the laundry. I've got a few things going here. So we're gonna work on the laundry first. We also have a thermostat we have to fix. So we got a lot to do today. So this footage actually starts the night before when we got our car washed. Getting the car washed for our beach trip this week. Like the car wash, Sophie? A little scared?
It wakes me up, it shoots me down. At this point I would rather be numb. I'm sick and tired of emotions. They've never done me any good, just tore me up into bits.
Sophie! Oh my goodness! A little bit of sensory issues with the sound.
Live without her, I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. I've always liked to be a stranger, keep my distance from the crowd. Thought that way I wouldn't get hurt, but when I met her it became a blur. She took my principles and turned them upside down. I had never felt that way, but what's to say? Sometimes good things end, but I didn't think that it would be this hard for a heart to mend. 'Cause I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on. They don't say how and it bothers me. I guess I'll have to try anyway. Try to let her go. Oh, I don't wanna let her go. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape.
We finished cleaning the car. Now we're going on a little golf cart ride, and
I will play
Hayes
on
driving.
playground.
This is one of our first driving lessons.
I
But
was-
instead of in the car, it's on the golf cart. So we got back from our golf cart ride, and it was time for me to install the Nest learning thermostat. This would actually be my fourth one to install because I installed 2 at our previous house and 1 downstairs at this house. However, this one gave me fits because the way the original thermostat had been installed, it looked like it was a conventional system, so it was actually a heat pump. So once I got everything wired, we had no air conditioning. It was only blowing out heat. So last night we had to have everybody downstairs sleeping in our room because the thermostat was broken. We installed a new Nest thermostat, but it's not working correctly yet, and we can't get the air to come on. And it was really hot upstairs, so we brought everybody downstairs. So now we're gonna wash all the sheets and get ready for vacation.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more.
Sorry for the bad light up here. I'm in the dark because I have the power cut off. So I'm trying to repair this Nest thermostat. So, show it to you here. I installed it last night, and I think what I did wrong was I installed it as a conventional system when it's actually a heat pump upstairs. So I'm gonna try to rewire it, and hopefully we will have some air conditioning.
Now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything.
Okay, so I think I've got it wired correctly now. I'm gonna go turn on the power and see if I can program it.
Alright, we've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
So we got the air working, but now the heat's not working. So I know I still have a wiring problem here somewhere. And let's see if I can get my diagram to show up. So I had to switch the power from the RH connection to the RC connection. That seems to have solved the problem. Katie's working on her college algebra prep class. She has a class that she's taken through Shoreman online, and she just completed Algebra 2, and once she finishes this class, she's going to take the CLEP test for college algebra. So she's just doing that over the summer. I think there's 20 lessons, so we just kind of work one in here and there when we have time. So Katie's been doing math this morning. I've been installing a Nest thermostat and doing the laundry. We're getting ready to clean the house in a little bit. But right now we're going to take a little break, and we're going to start watching America, the Story of Us. We're going to use that in conjunction with our history curriculum this year. What you need to say?
I'm playing.
Yeah.
And I'm like jumping.
Yeah, Sophie's been playing this morning. So that's what we're up to right now.
I'm not
You're a lion?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so scary. You're so scary. Gonna go ahead and give you a quick meal idea. This is 10 points on freestyle. Just doing in my crock pot here some of the 0-point marinara sauce, and with that I'm adding some of these frozen great value Italian style meatballs. On freestyle, the meatballs are 4 points for 3, and then you would also add the points for noodles. So Gary and I are in the 3rd week of our step bet, and it's been raining constantly for several weeks. And so this is my day. So I'm at 5877 steps, and I need 7809. I've already got my 2 power days in, but it's going to end up meaning that I'm going to be doing what I've been doing for several days, which is walking laps in my house in order to get the steps in, or walking in place to get the steps in. So here I go. There goes Gary. He's power walking. I'm getting in his steps. He's doing laps around the dirty kitchen. Just kidding. We don't power walk, but we do get our steps in this way. At this point it was getting pretty late, and I was washing dishes and just cleaning up the kitchen, and realized that a lot of the things I planned to do today just didn't happen. Have y'all ever had days like that?
On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
You say night night, everybody.
Hey.
You ready to go to bed?
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed our day in the life. Bye.